This is the Ulinek Star Curtain Lights, and I'll be showing you the unboxing experience and what I think about it in this very short video. Unboxing the Ulinek Star Curtain Lights is straightforward. The contents are just as easy as it comes. You get the lights in the box with all the angles around it, with a plug and everything that comes with it. That's all you get in the packaging, which is really straightforward. It's supposed to be lights. What else do you expect? So you get the plug which goes into your power supply, and then you get the lights and the hooks that actually come on top of your curtain that makes it just go around. So I'm just gonna quickly fast forward the video here and unwind it just a little bit, and then I will plug it into the power supply on my desk and later on go set it up in the living room for us to actually see how it works. So that's it right on there for us. It looks really beautiful and really lovely and nice to use. And this is what it looks finally when I hang it on my door. Do not mind me, I do not have curtains currently because I just moved to a new house. But I'm going to be setting this up on the curtain much later when the curtains arrive. But I really love the experience and I have it permanently on my door for now until the curtains arrive. And I put it on every night just to see how lovely it is. I'll drop the link in the video description, so you'll be sure to check it out if you need to purchase one. I'll see you again in another video.